Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today our topic is about Hindi subject translate to English, and this is 6th class lesson. Lesson name is Badal ka interview. So Badal means clouds. So the meaning of Badal is clouds. Clouds we see from day to from morning to at night till we sleep. So Badal means clouds. So we will start the lesson. सुनो साथियों, मैं नेहा एक प्यारी बच्ची बात बताती हूँ तुमको, मैं एकदम सच्ची। रात को सपने में परियां थी सब आई, अपने पंख हिलाकर थी वे मुस्कुराई। बोली नेहा, क्यों बैठी हो गुमसुम उदास, चलो हमारे संग उड़े पवन के साथ। So what happened in this? Neha is our first character. So in this our first character name is Neha, and she is saying to us that in her dreams fairies came. Pariya means fairies, and our first character is Neha. So Neha is our first character. So Neha and Pariya means fairies. So Pariya थी सब आई means all of the Pariya, all of the fairies came to Neha's dreams, and what they were questioning to Neha that Neha, come with us. Why are you sitting sad? Udas means sad, and they were asking Neha, why are you sitting sad? Come with us. We will fly in the air. We will fly in the air. उड़े पवन के साथ. Pavan means air. So they are saying to Neha, don't sit sad. We will fly together in the air. Pavan. So Neha, what she said means she will come or not come to the Pavan to fly with the fairies in the Pavan air. We'll see. कोमल कोमल पंख लगाकर मैंने भरी उड़ान, ने देख नील गगन से दुनिया रह गई मैं हैरान। धीरे धीरे उड़कर मैं बादल के पास आई, देखकर रंग रूप उसका मैं तो थी चकराई। बोले बादल भैया, अरे तुम कौन हो भाई? So Neha, next what happened? Neha came flying, and she kept komal komal. Komal means soft. So the meaning of komal is soft, and pankh means fairies. Pankh was given, pankhs means feathers or wings, was given by the fairies. Pariya means fairies, and they gave Neha komal pankh means soft wings to her, and she wore that means she kept that wings and was flying into the sky means, and in air she was flying it, and what she was saw the world from the up of the sky to the down, and she saw her home, and she was happy, and she was too much surprised when she saw clouds means she was flying, and by flying she went near the clouds means she saw the cloud and she was surprised. So now cloud also was surprised by seeing Neha and asked, who are you? So what we will see, what Neha answered, we will see. छोड़कर अपनी धरती क्यों हमारे घर आई? मैं बोली मैं नेहा, मैं बतलाऊं मैं आई हूँ क्यों? मुझे लेना है आपका एक प्यारा सा इंटरव्यू। कहाँ से आते कहाँ को जाते, सब बोलो ना, मन के राज अपने सब खोलो ना, क्यों उठाए फिरते हो इतना सारा पानी? So now what happened? So Badal Bhaiya met Neha, and our second character name is Badal means Badal Bhaiya and Neha met each other, and Badal Bhaiya asked, who are you? Means, and what he asked next, why you came from your earth to our sky to my home? Means clouds ask like this means Neha said, I am Neha. I came here for taking a small cute interview of you. So Badal Bhaiya So we'll start your first question. What Neha will ask the first question, we'll see now. कहाँ से आते कहाँ को जाते, सब बोलो ना, मन के राज सभी खोलो ना. Means Neha asked from where you come and from where you go. कहाँ से आते means from where you come and कहाँ को जाते from where you go. Now when you come, कहाँ को आते कहाँ को जाते, that is different. Now what she asked next, मन के राज सभी खोलो ना. राज means secrets. So Raz means secrets. The meaning of Raz is secrets. So she was saying that say me from where you come and from where you go. Share all your secrets to me. Neha was saying like this. So next her third question will start here. क्यों उठाए फिरते हो इतना सारा पानी, सजा मिली है तुमको, क्या की थी शैतानी. सुनकर मेरी बात बादल भैया झल्ला गए, सच कहूँ तो थोड़ा गुस्सा भी खा गए. बोले हमारे बिना धरती का करना होगा, अगर बरसने में हमें भी जलना होगा. Now what happened? Her third question was why you will carry that much water. क्यों उठाए फिरते हो इतना सारा पानी. So why he will carry that much water, Neha was asking, and why she thought in her mind the answer of that she was thinking the answer like her mother given him the punishment to carry that much water if he did one mistake. Shaitani means mistake. Shaitani means mistake. Now she was thinking that the Badal Bhaiya means the clouds got punishment by his mom that he should carry that much water. So Shaitani means mischievousness or something he had done wrong. So Shaitani means mischievousness or something he had done wrong. Something wrong with him. Something wrong. So he got the punishment. So something wrong. He did something wrong, so that he got the punishment. He was carrying, so that she was thinking that oh, Badal Bhaiya got some punishment, and so that he was carrying that much water. Neha was thinking like that. So Badal Bhaiya got angry, and he was saying to Neha, and he was thinking that why this girl came here and why she is asking my interview, and again why she is asking me like these questions. And next he got angry and he given the answer that if I not have water in me, and if I not give rain, so this if I not give the rain, this earth will not be there only. He was saying like that. So next what Neha will see and she will say we'll see. जब हम बरसे धरती पर हरियाली आए, सब जीवों की प्यास नेहा तब ही मिट पाए. मैं बोली आओ बादल भैया इतना तो बतलाओ, कैसे बन जाते हो मुझको भी समझाओ. बादल बोले जान लो ये तो ध्यान लगा के, बनते हैं कैसे सुन लो कान लगा के. Now what happened? Badal Bhaiya got angry and he was saying like this. So next again what he said means if I not give the rain, the earth will not be so much nature, means it will not get grass like that, and the animals and human beings will every time be thirsty only. The thirst will not be cool and satisfied with them. But now if he rained the Badal Bhaiya, means the clouds, rain means they will get water, the all animals and humans will get water and they will be without thirst. So he was saying that Neha got she was thinking she was curious and she want to know why the clouds will, how the clouds will form and why the clouds will form. So Badal Bhaiya, clouds, said that listen it carefully, I am going to say, keep your ears on it and listen it. So what he will see and how he will form, we'll see. जितने नदी सरोवर झरने या सागर ये सभी मेरे उद्गम हैं, नील गगन की गागर है, धरती से उड़ता जल आकर मुझ में समाता, उमड़ घुमड़ कर मैं जीवों की प्यास बुझाता. जब जब पड़ती भीषण गर्मी मैं जल पाऊं, धीरे धीरे साथ पवन के बढ़ता ही मैं जाऊं. So what happened? What he said, Neha asked, how you will form clouds? Means he was saying that jitne nadi sarovar means all seas, rivers, oceans, and what they will happen? They will cool. Means they will be coming to source and they will get each other's source and they will come to the badal. And when the heat will increase, means when the sunny day was there, it will go into the water. And if the sun was going and the black clouds means are coming, the badal will start raining. So this is process I will explain you again. Jitne nadi sarovar hai, seas, rivers and oceans, they will come in contact with each other, and when the sun is more, the sun will be heating the water, means the water vapor will start and it will go into the clouds. And when the black clouds come and the sun goes inside deep clouds, and when black clouds enter, the white clouds started raining. So means they will dispose the water inside them and again they will become white clouds. So this is the process how the clouds will form. जब जब वृक्ष बढ़ाओ हरियाली तो घर है मेरा, हो ना जाऊं खाली यही तो डर है मेरा. मैं बोली, ओ बादल भैया तुम्हें प्रणाम, धन्यवाद, अब आपका भी कर लो अपना काम. रहो गरजते और बरसते, अधिकार तुम्हें है, बच्चों की टोली का सारा प्यार तुम्हें है. मीन्स what Badal Bhaiya at the interview last day he said that make trees, plant trees. I love Haryali, means he like nature and he like to plant trees, and when trees are there he will rain there only more. Means where trees are there, in this place trees are there, the rain will come there only so much fast, he was saying. And he have one fear also. What is that fear? That if he will not have water only in himself, he was having that fear. So every time the clouds will have this fear only, that if they will not have water in them, they will have this fear. So now Neha said that, thank you clouds brother, thank you for your precious time giving for me, and total love from your small kids to you. So next this interview is ended. Now Neha was saying what? We'll see. मेरे सपने सलोने की एक झलक बनी कहानी, इसको रखना याद, बोली परियों की रानी. सब गाते हैं जब जाते रोज स्कूल, बादल भैया का इंटरव्यू कभी न जाना भूल. So what happened? Neha was so much nice and she woke up from her, she was going to woke up from her sleep, and when the interview is finished and the fairies are taking the wings back, so the queen and king of fairies said that, Neha, don't forget this ride about the sky and don't forget the interview of clouds. And Neha, what she is saying, she woke up from the sleep and she is saying that every day we'll go to school, so don't forget to remember this interview of clouds. So this is written by Sampurna Singh Bagdi. So this is a poem, big poem written by Sampurna Singh Bagdi. So now I am going to give some meanings. So we'll see that meaning. So this is the story written by Sampurna Singh Bagdi. This is the name of him. So Sampurna Singh Bagdi. So everyone will call him like this. And now we are going to write some meanings. Pankh we wrote. And now Gagar. Gagar means a water pot. So Gagar. The meaning of Gagar is water pot. So next meaning is Udan. Flying. So the meaning of Udan is flying. Next, Pyas, thirst. The meaning of Pyas is thirst. Now next, Udgam. Udgam means source. So Udgam, source. Rose, every day. Rose means every day. Rose have two meanings. One is flower and one is every day. We have rose flower, but in this lesson, rose is given for we will go everyday school. In this, it is given rose. So, if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. And next, what lesson you want to explain in Hindi to English? So, thank you, Jaza. दोस्तों, इस पाठ का महत्वपूर्ण विषय जो हमें ये सिखाना चाहता है यह है कि बादल हमारे जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि उसकी वजह से हम पानी पीते हैं और पानी को हम नहा भी सकते हैं, अपनी नहाने के लिए भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं, और हम खाना पकाते भी इससे हैं और खाने को उगाते भी इससे हैं, और खाना समाप्त होने के बाद इसको ही पीते हैं, जिससे अपनी प्यास को बुझाते हैं हम। बादल हमारे जीवन में बहुत ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। अगर हमारे जीवन में पानी ना होता तो हम पानी के अपनी प्यास को बुझाने के लिए तड़प रहे होते और खाना खाने के लिए तड़प रहे होते। This I'll teach in English also. The main imperative of this lesson is to teach us how useful is clouds in our life. So why it is useful for drinking and for bathing and for making rice and for growing rice also, and after eating rice for drinking also. It will cut our thirst and it will make us so much energetic. If water is not there, means if clouds are not there, water is not there. If clouds there, means water will be there. But if clouds are not there, our life will not be there only in this world. And why? Because we will not have water to drink and it will not cut our thirst also. We will be so much thirsty and we can't bath for so many days. And if rice is not there, means water is not there, rice will not grow and we can't eat rice also. So clouds are very much important for us. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira. Please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel.